Hello everyone, so we are back again with a great question today. So this is a question of nested square roots. Nested means square root inside the square root. So we again, as always, let's go with our intuition. Let's find x by squaring both sides because this whole thing has square root and is equals to 1. So square and square both sides. So now here I'm already telling you we're gonna get some extraneous solutions. What do you mean by extraneous solutions? Some extra answers which are false answers, right? So yeah, let's continue, and in the end we'll check which answer is incorrect or which answer is correct. So let's continue here, this as it is 1, right? Up till now, easy. Continuing, it is 1 minus x, right? Again we are squaring. Four x 1 minus 2x minus plus x squared. I hope till now it's making sense. X minus 1 whole square or 1 minus x whole square, both same thing. Let's make one side all 0. X plus x squared, or let's say this, and let's write it as this minus 1. Does it make sense? It should. Nothing we did new. It's just we reached a quadratic equation, and for us quadratic equation is very easy to solve. Try factorization first. If not working, go for quadratic formula, like it always works, quadratic formula. But just telling you, if we have positive coefficient like 1 coefficient and we have even coefficient of x, if we have 1 coefficient of x square, the highest degree, and even coefficient of x, then try to go for completing the square. It's the easiest, and I'm gonna choose that, completing the squares. Okay, pardon my writing. So how do you complete the square? You take this 6, you do its half, you got 3, you do 3's square, add and subtract in the same side, or you can add both sides as well. So I'm gonna go for this, add here, minus 1, add 9 here. I just added 9 here, added 9 here. Now, how did I complete the square? So this is actually a square minus 2ab plus b square, where whose square is this 9? Can I write this as 3 square? Yes, I can. So I just did. Okay, continuing, this minus 3 whole square, and because this is the formula of this. I hope this makes sense, and let's continue. This became 8, right? Till now, good. Now, square rooting both sides. Oh my god. Plus minus. Do not forget these little steps, when to plus, when to minus, when to plus minus both. Okay. So cancel. It's minus 3 plus minus 2 root 2. Now x is equals to 3 plus minus 2 root 2. Now so many times we did squaring both sides, so we might have gotten extraneous roots. So till now some of you might have left it here only, or in future they're gonna leave it here only, but no. Checking is very important now. So let's check the solution. Okay, let's try checking. So first we're gonna try this method. So put x equals to this. So left hand side. Always remember in checking only left hand side would be used. Right hand side we have to come to that thing. Okay. Now 3 plus 2 root 2. This is just x and the whole thing same. This 2 root and the whole root. What am I using? 3 plus 2 root 2. Right? Okay. Continuing. Now, very important note, whenever there is a square root of a plus b plus 2 square root ab, the answer is always a square root minus plus actually. And if there is minus here, you just make it minus here. B, condition only, condition if a is greater than b, or you can say square root is same thing. Okay, so let's try continuing. Here I'm gonna apply this thing here, writing this thing as it is, 3 plus 2 root 2 plus 2. Now this 3 can be written as this 3 can be written as 1 plus 2 and plus 2 here. Then this 2 can be written as 1 times 2, right? Here a is 2 and b is 1. So let's continue. Now writing this thing as a minus b. So a is my 2 root and b is my 1 root. Now 3 plus 2 root 2 plus 2 root 2 plus 2 whole square. This becomes 4 plus 4 root 2. Sorry, 5 plus 4 root 2 whole square. Obviously this is not equals to 1, so now we got our extraneous root is this one. Still not leaving it. Let's check out this correct root. Put in this x is equals to 3 minus now this is left hand side. We have to make it equals to that. So 3 minus 2 root 2 plus 2 square root 3 minus 2 root 2 whole square. 3 minus 2 root 2. I already gave that formula before. So this would become 2 minus root 1 here and this whole thing square root. Okay. Now this 2 root 2 plus this minus 1. Now, oh my bad. This whole just became the whole thing became. So this minus this 1, this cancel, and square root is 1, which is on this right hand side. Hence the answer of my x is equals to 3 minus 2. This is going to satisfy my equation. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.